Guys, it's Kiki Alex here, and we got 3 tablets lying in a row.
Hey guys, it's Missy Kiki Alex.
Alex has nothing to do with this unless you want to try it.
No, I'm just gonna record.
And
It's on the 3rd sector of the
so it's like 5-6.
Scoville scale.
So we're like on the 5000
It's
scale.
70 times.
I'm with Kiki Alex and Biohazard Gaming
And vlogs.
and vlogs.
Alex, stop vlogging. Stop videoing.
Probably won't even
We got
upload it.
Blairs death rate 70 times hotter than an jalapeno pepper, which on the Scoville scale is 560000, which is like the 3rd to the top.
I want to show them how to do. Okay, so it's called Death Rain, and so it's full alive. Now this is hot. It's hot. It's like the hottest.
Here, you know what? Let's put some more in here.
It's like
Just
me,
for showsies.
me and Christian, we ate like a full bowl of like the popcorn, and it was, but we put like this in it. So it
Oh, that gaming though.
it burnt. It literally burnt, and it even.
Alex, stop.
And Christian's face was like beat red. I'm just saying that. I'm just like I know I'm white.
Fully seasoned and ready to go.
I'm afraid that they're gonna like.
See, and I'm white. Me and Christian are white,
Don't
and
just take one by one, bro.
yeah,
You
he
have to
would.
do handfuls.
Okay,
That's
that
why
okay.
my mouth
That,
is burning.
yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
Oh. Well, someone after Jerry.
There's the cake.
Oh
I
god.
really taste the onion. I really taste the garlic.
I really taste the butter.
I taste the garlic.
It's burning. I'm also over there.
We'll just run and get it after.
Oh.
You have to finish this.
No
No milk.
missing popcorn.
No milk.
Am I even recording? Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh yeah, look at that spice. If you don't believe us where it is on the Scoville scale, look it up.
And hot.
Yeah. I don't know. If I test my taste buds with this, I think I'll be able to handle the Carolina Reaper. It's painful, man. It's painful popcorn.
It's so good but painful. Oh my god.
It's like torturing yourself to eat popcorn. I'm not kidding. Buy this. It's great.
It's good, but it's like burns your mouth like hell.
It may look like we're being tortured. It has a good taste, but it burns.
I'm like, why are you fucking dripping on me? Jeez, dog.
Do you need milk?
Do you need milk?
I need milk.
I need milk.
Let's get milk.
I'm so eating it. Oh my god.
Oh, there goes my statuses.
Here we go. Oh. This is the biggest handful. Oh.
Shut up, it's 2 in the morning.
Oh god. Okay, Ozzy, stop dripping on me, man. Look, he's like literally drooling on me. Stop it. I don't like what when I'm sleeping. If you're babies, we'll be dead by now.
That's true. My eyes are tearing up.
I'm sorry to them to calm down. So don't cry, son. Just let the milk sit in there for a couple seconds.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go blow my nose.
Oh, that actually helps you unclog your nose?
Yeah.
Okay, how's it going? Go. Okay, it's burning. It burns, man. You're controlling 2 logs. High.
This is hard.
Yo, look how much milk I have. She has more than me. Lucky cheaper. Because I knew that your milk was burning.
We had basically the same amount.
Yeah, like a little bit more than me. I'm just pounding it back just to help it.
Don't worry, I'm fine. I can handle more.
My lips are burning. After this, I found like normal popcorn.
I can't eat anymore. I'm gonna throw up.
I'm doing a challenge.
We must complete it.
If I throw up in the middle of the camera, guys, I'm sorry. If I throw up in the bowl, we're still gonna eat it.
No.
It's just nasty, man. Nasty.
Oh God.
I wonder what my tongue's feelings about this are.
I hate you, Christian.
Why are you doing this to me? Aren't this killing our taste buds?
Probably is.
Sure, it's enough milk.
I love milk.
Give me some of your milk, man. We're not gonna give up. There's Shrek 4.
Yeah?
When was I when this happened?
It's been out for like 5 years.
I only thought there was a Shrek 1.
There's Shrek 1, Shrek 2, Shrek 3, Shrek 4, Shrek Forever After. Totally.
Yeah. You guys better like, comment, and subscribe. I went through this pain for you guys. I went through this pain.
I'm
Yeah,
done.
this pain.
We technically did it.
Yeah.
We had a full
Is
day.
it
I don't care. And now we only have like that much left. So yeah, that's it, guys. We'll finish that after. Bye. Okay, you guys just watched my last video. I just ate the popcorn, and now it's like 5 seconds after.
You guys, bye. I love you. Please like, comment, subscribe.
Alright.
Bye.
At the same time. Let's go.
Okay, so that was like a second ago, my other video. You're doing warheads with it? Oh
Yep.
God, kill me.
Chili, bro.
I'm gonna blow my nose, but I'm gonna do it.
This is gonna burn.
Oh, cherry.
a mother.
Blue. Bailey.
You're lucky you didn't get black cherry.
Oh, Christian. It's okay, man. It's okay. It's okay. Don't cry. Don't cry.
It's gone.
What could it freaking be when I do it?
That's just a little add-on for you guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment your dares in the comment section below. I'll do anything. I'm not kidding.
Me, no word of a lie, I'll do it to you.
He'll shoot me with a BB gun. I'll shoot him with a BB gun. We just did it. Not even on video. I just shot him and he shot me. We're like, okay. But yeah, comment your dares. I will do all the dares in the comment section below. Thank you. Watch, like, and subscribe.